Look at this, the legendary 930 Turbo. And look right here, the emblem.
Wow, I can't believe it's real.
This model was actually raced back in the day, mostly local circuits. It sat here ever since my grandfather parked it in '93.
Yeah.
This right here, the Turbo badge, is what makes this model so valuable. They only made a few thousand of these back in the day.
Yeah.
Yeah. This touchless phase right here, this is crucial. It really helps avoid scratching the vintage paint. Look at that. The aluminum is spotless. Oh, that dry ice technology is incredible. Look at the contrast between the cleaned and the uncleaned sections. It's coming back to life.
That luster is incredible.
All right, so we're starting the paint correction process. I'm applying 3 dots of compound to the pad, which will eliminate these swirl marks.
This is a mix of oil leaks and 30 years of road dust. I mean, look at that. That is absolutely disgusting. Trapped in here for years.
It reveals a reflection so deep it looks like you could reach into the paint. Moving the inspection light across the surface shows 0 scratches or swirl marks.
With order where exensi meningsturing for ents and from neglected classic to showroom shine, this Porsche is ready for the road. Another job done right by WD Detailing. After 40 years, they finally move again. That is flawless, man. Look at that. The original factory sticker. Wow.
Wow, look at the production date. It's amazing.
Yeah, it confirms everything. For an air-cooled engine this old, fresh fluids are critical. We need to make sure the levels are perfect before we try to turn it over. Yeah, we finally did it. Listen to that engine hum. Woo. It's beautiful.
आरजे इंटीरियर की डीप एक्सट्रैक्शन शुरू करता है जहां वो रेड कारपेट से डेकेड्स पुरानी मिट्टी और बाडबू को निकलने की कोशिश कर रहा है।
It looks like this car just rolled off the assembly line in 1986.
That's the goal, brand new preservation.
पेंट करेक्शन का आखिरी स्टेज है जहां आरजे फाइन फिनिशिंग पॉलिश इस्तेमाल कर रहा है ताकि ब्लैक पेंट में मिरर फिनिश पैदा हो सके।
आरजे ड्राई आइस ब्लास्टिंग का आखिरी मरहला मुकम्मल कर रहा है जहां वो इंजन के उन हिस्सों को चमका रहा है जहां हाथ नहीं पहुंच सकता।
आरजे रेड लेदर सीट्स पर स्पेशल कंडीशनर लगा रहा है ताकि 30 साल पुरानी ड्राइनेस खत्म हो सके और लेदर नरम हो जाए।
We use this protection spray to prevent rust. Look closely, you can still see the factory markings on these bolts.
The detail is absolutely stunning.
आरजे फ्रंक की डीप क्लीनिंग कर रहा है जहां वो 30 साल पुरानी मिट्टी को निकलकर रेड पेंट को दोबारा चमकाएगा।
आरजे पेंट करेक्शन के बाद आईपीए वाइप कर रहा है ताकि सारा पॉलिशिंग ऑयल निकल जाए और सरफेस सेरामिक कोटिंग के लिए तैयार हो जाए।
आरजे पेंट को हमेशा के लिए महफूज करने के लिए सेरामिक कोटिंग लगा रहा है, जो इस 30 साल पुरानी रेस्टोरेशन को शोरूम से भी बेहतर चमक देगी।
We will prime the oil system first.
Oh, yes. It works. Woo-hoo! We finally did it!
रेस्टोरेशन मुकम्मल हो चुकी है। कार अब सिर्फ एक शो पीस नहीं बल्कि एक चलती फिरती मशीन है जो अपने मालिक के पास वापस जाने के लिए तैयार है।
Wow, look at how much metal was hidden under that dirt.
Wow, look at that red coming through. It's crazy how oxidized they were.
Yeah, after 3 decades, the first priority is getting these brakes back to factory spec.
Look at the fuel lines, 30 years old. Woo! It's like a time machine, man.
Check this out, 1994. This thing is ancient.
Wow, look how clean these are getting.
We start the glass cleaning so the visibility becomes crystal clear, ending the 30-year-old haze.
It feels like the glass has disappeared.
This part alone took 2 hours to perfect.
बेल्ट्स काफी worn out लग रहे हैं। द सन, इन्हें जल्दी बहालना होगा। लेकिन कूलिंग सिस्टम ठीक काम कर रहा है।
There we go, holding up perfectly under the load.
The mechanism on these is just fantastic.
The front end is 100% finished.
आरजे व्हील्स को वापस कार पर लगा रहा है। ये कार की रेस्टोरेशन का आखिरी स्ट्रक्चरल स्टेप है।
I honestly can't find a single flaw on this 30-year-old paint.
कार पहली बार गराज से बाहर निकल रही है और सूरज की रोशनी में इसका असली रंग और चमक देखकर सब हैरान हैं।
The car feels tight and responsive despite its long sleep.
She's all yours now. She's that loaded up. It looks so well, Chris.